Hey guys, just gonna do a quick Danscomp unboxing, or not really, but I'm just gonna show you the list of parts I got, and then show you the parts I put on my bike because my unboxing didn't work out, so this is as close as I can do. Start off, I got some hollow Shadow Conspiracy bolts in blue. I think they look pretty sweet, personally, but yeah. I got free Danscomp clinch bag. It's actually pretty sweet. I'll probably use it for school, biking, of course. Got the gold animal plastic bar ends. I don't know. They're alright. They're only $3, so I just got them. Thought they'd be a little bit more gold, but whatever. I got $20 off my purchase because I used the coupon. Got some crown valve caps. I don't know. Just make it look a little bit less boring. I got my stolen Convict V3 stem. I know this isn't the greatest stem, but it's cheap. It has colors in gold. $30. The main thing people are having problems with were their bolts were not like, they were always stripping and they weren't holding tight, so that's why I ordered these bolts to give it a better look and hopefully make the stem better. I also got a mechanic blue half-link chain. I don't have a chain breaker, so I'm going to be getting this put on my bike tomorrow at a local bike shop. Okay, give me a sec. Yeah, it's just half-link chain. Same old mechanic, cheap one, but it's pretty good for their price, so why not? Next thing I got were my Aaron Ross keyboard grips. I'm actually really liking these so far. Pretty sweet. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the flanges on or not. Don't know if I'm a fan of those, but feel good, so that's good. I got my blue Hamilton PC pedals. Need to get those tightened because my wrench doesn't really fit in there too well, so I need to get them to tighten it up with the park tools they have there. I also got, I got my Cult Death Row V2 bars, which I'm most excited about, in chrome. I don't know about you guys, but chrome bars are sick to me. I got them in 8.65 rise, I believe. I can't remember the width. I think it's like 29.5 or 29.75 or something like that. 29, somewhere in the 29s. So yeah, I think it looks pretty sweet. It has a Cult logo right there. Goes pretty, I don't know. I need to get a new back rim because I screwed up this one. I dented it. Has a couple more dents on the back side. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah, there's a couple more dents around there, so I want to get a new back wheel. My bike is a 2011 Fit Beacon 3. Yeah, it was an alright bike. I got it used. Traded my old hardtail in for it because I wasn't really into hardtails anymore. Just comes with regular FAF 10-wall tires, gold hubs, gold sprocket, fit, gold tapered fork, T6 double wall rims. Definitely want to get this whole entire back wheel replaced. Probably gonna get a Primo Remix wheel with the hub and everything. Yeah, pivotal seat. Hub isn't too loud, just average. So that's good. My total came to $182.92. It's my birthday today, so it came right on my birthday, so I thought that was pretty sweet. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks.